if you can awaken from this illusion and you understand that black implies white, self implies other, life implies death, or shall I say, death implies life, you can feel yourself not as a stranger in the world, not as something here on probation, not as something that has arrived here by fluke. You can begin to feel your own existence as absolutely fundamental. Now, I'm not trying to sell you on this as a means to convert you or anything. I just want you to think of it, of the idea. I'm just putting it forth as a possibility of life to think about. So then, let's suppose you had the power to dream whatever you want, and every night you were to dream 75 years of life, or any time period you wanted. Now, of course, you would live out all of your fantasies, all the things you've ever thought about in these dreams. And after a few nights of doing this, you'd wake up every day thinking, man, this is pretty amazing. Well, now let's toss something into the mix. Let's say something happens in the dream that's completely catastrophic in your life, in that dream. And you wake up suddenly and you think, oh man, that was a close one. But you would continue to go to sleep each night and taking more and more chances, until you would eventually dream and you would make it to the life you're living right now. You would dream the dream of the life you're living right now. Because that would be within the multiplicit choices of possibilities of playing that you're not God. Because the whole nature of this Godhead game that the elite play is pretending that he's not. And I mean, God is in the deep down root of everything. And you're all that, only you're pretending you're not.